It was a great idea and got permission for them to fly the pirate flag and also to paint a pirate up on the forward smokestack. Admiral Kidd's nickname, as it turns out, part of the reason that this actually worked and the Navy gave permission, was Cap, after Captain Kidd the pirate.
Initially, the ship served in the Atlantic, protecting convoys. Then she was included in the 48th Destroyer Squadron and transferred to the Pacific. Consequently, she participated in the battles of Bougainville, Rabaul, Philippines, Tinian, Guam, and Okinawa. Width 12 meters, length 115 meters, gross displacement up to 3,000 tons, draft 4 meters. Armament, major caliber, 5 turrets with 127mm Mk-12 versatile cannons, low caliber AA guns, 5 chained Bofors autocannons, 40mm, and 7 20mm air licorne, torpedo tubes, a couple of 5-tube launchers, anti-submarine weapons, key gun howitzers with 28D bombs, hull armor up to 19mm. Propulsion, 60,000 SHP with speed up to 38 knots and range of 6,500 nmi.